All right, over the last 30 days of launching this campaign, we've generated 39 tankless water heater replacement leads at a cost per lead of $19.89, and we've spent $775 in ad spend so far. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we do this, from running high converting Facebook ads to using a backend automation that follows up and pre-qualifies the leads. And this ensures that our end client never waste time on low quality leads, and they only speak to homeowners who are looking for an in-home estimate. If you're new to the channel, my name is Peyton Rasti, and my agency does lead generation for home improvement companies, helping them get more pre-qualified leads so they can book more jobs and ultimately make more money. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be dropping new videos weekly. All right, here's what we'll cover in this video. Number one, why leads don't mean anything unless they're pre-qualified first. Number two, our best performing social media ad creatives. Number three, how we write ad copy that turns clicks into sales. Number four, the power of automations. Number five, the importance of email nurture sequences. All right, now let's talk about why leads mean absolutely nothing unless they're pre-qualified first. And that's because on Facebook, you're going to get a mix of people who are, qualified, unqualified, and just time wasters. So you need a system in place that's going to kind of filter out the bad leads from the good leads. An example with this campaign is we generated 39 leads, and out of the 39, there are only 19 of them who were actually pre-qualified. And these are the leads that we send off to our end clients. The rest are just unqualified leads. They're not worth talking to. Here's our top performing image and video ad creatives that we use for our clients. Now, what we like to do with the creatives is we use a price first strategy. It means we're going to have some sort of a pricing, like a starting ad prices in the ads, because this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget. So whatever your, either your starting ad prices, or let's say your financing price, if it's example $45 per month, you're going to have it in the ad. The other thing with the ad creatives is we want to make sure the ads look organic to the platform, native to the platform, because if they look too professional, like the ones on here, too corporate looking, people are going to scroll past them. The other style of ads we're using right now is AI ads, which are performing really well. They're getting really good. You can't tell the difference between these AI actors and a real human. And actually, this is our best performing ad creative. So we test everything, right? We test image and video ad creatives, and we let Facebook kind of decide the winner. Now, the next thing is the ad copy. With our ad copies, we like to follow a structure. So right at the start, we like to make it a little bit personalized. So example is, hi, my name is Peter, and I'm the proud owner of XYZ company. And then you go with the problem awareness opening. Right below that, we're going to position the offer as valuable. So any benefits. So here would be endless hot water, last up to 20 years, space saving, less likely to leak. Right below that, we're going to stack value and differentiate. So this client of ours has 10-year parts and labor warranty, 5-star reviews, rebates and fast installs, and then a guarantee and risk reversal. And at the end, we're going to end it with a low friction call to action, which is tap learn more for a free consultation and a quote. Now, obviously, with our ad creatives, we test, right? We test 2 to 4 ad creatives and with different hooks. This is just an example of one of them. Now, when somebody sees the ad, they're interested for a, free consultation or whatever the call to action is. Once they click on it, we're going to take them through 4 to 6 qualification questions to filter out unqualified prospects and attract serious homeowners who are more likely to convert. And here we ask them, are you a homeowner? Do you live in Greater Vancouver? Whatever your area is, you want to make sure you ask them, because if they're not within your service area, you want to disqualify them right on the Facebook. You don't want them even come through. You're not going to waste your time. So we always have this question. So if somebody selects no, then we just disqualify them. The other question, what type of water heater do you currently have? And then how soon are you looking to install a tankless water heater, right? This is important to ask because if you have 10 leads coming in and somebody answers ASAP, you're going to call that lead first. You're going to prioritize leads who are more urgent than somebody who just selects not ready yet or is just gathering information. And then we're going to ask for a full name, phone number, email, and city. So these are the data points we get on every lead. Now, once they submit, we don't want to assume that they're legit leads. Again, on Facebook, you're going to have people who are, they're going to just fill out the form out of curiosity. They're just unqualified. They're not ready to move forward. So we want to ensure that anybody who filled out the form is actually pre-qualified. So if we take basically we have the next step where we're going to pre-qualify them, make sure they're serious. Now here's our backend automation that follows up and pre-qualifies the leads 24/7 on autopilot, right? Even if you're asleep. Now, two things it does again is number one, it's going to confirm that the lead provided a real and valid phone number. Number two is going to ensure that the leads are serious and want to move forward, like they want an estimate because we're going to ask them, right? So here's an example would be, so this is our instant lead follow-up system. The moment they hit submit, they fill out the form on Facebook, we still don't count them as a lead, right? We're going to take this next step to ensure that they actually are serious. Otherwise, they're unqualified. So example would be, hi, first name, David here from XYZ company. Thanks for requesting a free consultation and a quote for a tankless water heater. Just reply yes to confirm you have the correct phone number and I'll get you scheduled. Now the system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once they reply with a yes, it's going to automatically just reply back to it saying, hey, thanks for confirming. I'll give you a call shortly to discuss your options and provide you with the next steps to get your free consultation scheduled. Now, the moment they reply with a yes, that's when we actually count them as a pre-qualified lead. And our end clients is going to receive an immediate lead SMS and email notification where they can call the lead and book that in-home estimate. Now, in case they don't reply to the first SMS, we have 4 more SMS follow-ups that go out, and we're trying to get that yes from them. If they don't reply with a yes, saying, hey, they actually want an estimate, then we just count them as a unqualified lead. Now, here's an overview of how the whole system works. So we run the ads, generate the leads. Our backend automation, kicks in, follows up, pre-qualifies the leads 24/7 on autopilot. And if the leads are qualified, they replied with a yes, then they go into basically this bucket here where we count them as a qualified lead. You're going to call them up, book that appointment, show up, give your estimate, close the sale, complete the work, and get paid. And you're going to ask for a review and referral at the end. Now, this is what a simple kind of marketing funnel looks like. And it's very important that you have some sort of a back-end email nurture sequence because, a lot of consumers don't just click on an ad and purchase, right? They're not buying a shirt off Amazon. A lot of consumers follow a non-linear journey. Means, they're going to click on your ad, go look at your reviews, maybe go look at your website, come back the next day. It's going to take them time to make a decision. So it's important that with your email nurture sequences, you stay top of mind. You send valuable information, testimonials, before and afters. You want to push them over the edge. And a lot of the people who didn't reply with a yes, they're unqualified leads now, but that doesn't mean they're never going to buy, right? They filled out the form. They showed a level of interest. So they probably need a little bit more push, right? They want to know, like, and trust you. So that's what your email nurture sequence is going to do. It's going to build a relationship with them so that when they're ready to pull the trigger, you're the first name they think of. The job of the nurture sequence is turn them from just, interest into actual paying customers. Now, if you're looking to scale your HVAC company with exclusive pre-qualified leads, you're looking for more, air conditioning installation leads, furnace installation leads, or tankless, and you can handle an extra 30 plus estimate requests per month, would love to help. I'm going to leave a link down below the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team and we can see if this is a right fit. And just so you know, we only work with one company per area. That's about it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.